Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Brave AI Leo in Brave browser. Brave Leo is an AI assistant built into the Brave browser. You can use it to ask questions, get explanations, summarize information, and help you with different tasks directly inside the browser. So let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the menu button. A drop-down menu will now appear with several different options. From this menu, find the Leo AI option. Now, click on Leo AI. A Leo AI chat window will open. Here you will see a chat box where you can type your questions or requests. For example, type, "What is artificial intelligence?" After entering your question, click the Send button. Leo AI will now process your request and generate an answer. You can read the response directly in the chat window. If you want more information, you can continue the conversation by asking another question. For example, you can ask Leo to explain the topic in a simpler way, provide examples, or give you more details. You can also ask different types of questions depending on what you need help with. To use Leo AI, simply type your request in the chat box and send it. Leo will then provide a response based on your request. When you're finished using Leo AI, you can close the chat window or continue browsing with Brave browser. And that's how you can use Brave AI Leo in Brave browser. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.